Markdown is a very powerful tool for text editing software, and Flutter framework supports all ways you can imagine Markdown can be used in an application. In this video you will learn all of them. Let's see all the use cases, from the simplest to the most complex. From just displaying a Markdown string as a text with the corresponding style, to a text field with a toolbar with shortcuts, and finally a full Markdown text field, like having Microsoft Word or Google Docs embedded in your Flutter app. First, let's start with displaying just Markdown text. Install Flutter Markdown Plus package. It has large community support. And then add this code in your page. As you can see, this is the simplest one. You just pass the Markdown string as the data parameter of the Markdown widget. Next, we have two different approaches for text fields with toolbars with Markdown shortcuts for the text. In both we have access to a toolbar with shortcuts options to edit and write Markdown text. The only difference is that in one we have an optional but useful eye icon button, that when we press it, a preview of the Markdown text with style is shown, and then we can press on the text again to return to the edit mode. Let's first see the one with no eye icon button for preview, because it's simpler. For that we need to install Markdown Editable Text Input package. It has a good community support. And also the toolbar can be customized and styled to fit the app's design and branding. And this is the entire code. The first part is for the text field widget, the second part is an optional button to clear the text, and the third final part is just an optional widget to display the Markdown text. We can select text and add Markdown syntax to it. For bold text. For italic text. This is how we create headers. Much easier than doing it with a normal keyboard without a toolbar with Markdown shortcuts. This is how we do a list of items. And this is a block of code, very common for README files in open source projects. And finally, let's create a link to google.com. Below you can see the preview. All the code is in the GitHub repository and I promise you it takes less than 10 lines. Next, we are going to see the other text field approach, but that includes the eye icon button to see a quick preview of the Markdown text with the corresponding styles. For that, we install the Markdown Editor Plus package. It's possible to customize the toolbar colors. And this is the entire code. Basically, it's like the previous approach we have just seen. So, I'll just copy and paste a big Markdown text for you to see how the eye icon button preview feature behaves. This is the toolbar with all the available options. And this happens when you press the eye icon button. You see a preview of the Markdown text. And to return to the editor mode, just press anywhere in the text. And finally, the most complex one but still easy to code. A text field with basically the same features as if it were Microsoft Word or Google Docs but embedded in our Flutter app. For that, install the Flutter Quill package. Supports Android, iOS, web and desktop. And this is the entire code to make it work. As you can see, it's still very easy to implement. Just don't forget that this package requires some additional code to add in our main.dart file and in our perspec.yaml file. Adapt it to your project requirements. Regular text. Bold text. Italics text. Underline text. Text with background color. This is how we easily change the indentation. And this is how we create a link. For example, to google.com. As you can see, it's basically a Google Docs text editor. You can customize it more according to your project needs. Remember, the entire Flutter app code of the sample project is in the GitHub repository. It's very simplified, don't expect multiple folders and files or stuff like that, it's just plain vanilla Flutter and straight to the point for you to just copy and paste. And that's it. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more ultra fast and efficient tutorials for software developers who want to boost their productivity.